I recently made a video on calculating a person's age using YEARFRAC function, but one of my subscribers recommended using DATEDIF function. I'm here to compare and contrast these two functions. So let's start off with DATEDIF. In order to use DATEDIF function, you say equal DATEDIF as in difference, parenthesis. The first argument on DATEDIF function will be the date of birth. The second argument will be today's date using today function. And DATEDIF have three arguments. Let's say Y as in years, because we are calculating age, and hit enter. As you can see, DATEDIF presents the number as a whole number. I'm going to apply to the rest of the rows like this. As for YEARFRAC, is equal YEARFRAC, and the first argument in YEARFRAC is date of birth, similar to DATEDIF, and then comma, today's date using today. And it only takes two arguments, and you hit enter. As you can see, YEARFRAC presents numbers in decimal place or fraction. That's one of the difference between DATEDIF and YEARFRAC. And of course, you can change this into a whole number by pressing Ctrl 1 and then go numbers, and you can just put it to 0 and it looks somewhat similar. But let me leave it as it is so that you can see the difference. The second difference of DATEDIF is that you can actually specify the unit of measure. Right now we are saying as years. You can put M to indicate month. So this number of months since your date of birth as of today. And you can also change this into a day as in D. And that will be the second difference between DATEDIF and YEARFRAC. I've been reading a lot of articles about DATEDIF not doing leap year. I don't think that is true, but what do you think? Leave your comment in the description below.